Welcome to Miss Nam's Math World. Today we are going to discuss for the following limits whether they exist. So question 1 and question 2, their types are similar, and question 3 and 4, their types are also similar. So please think about it. Do you know the answer now? For question 1 and question 2, we need to check whether both the numerator and denominator, they are both equal to 0. If not, the limit does not exist. So this time, the answer is quite clear for question 1. Okay, so for question 1, we substitute 2 here. 2 minus 2 will be equals to 0. That means it tends to 0 for the denominator. But for numerator, 1 is still 1. So that means we have 1 over 0. What does it mean? That means the limit does not exist. So let's continue. For question 2, please substitute x is equal to 2 for both numerator and denominator. So this time the numerator you will get to be 2 squared, that means 4, minus 4, which is equal to 0. That means the upper part it tends to 0. And then for the lower part, 2 minus 2 also tends to 0. So if we get 0 over 0, then we may have the limit. So in this case, please see whether we can cancel this one, the denominator, by doing the factorization of the upper part to find its factor. Okay, so when we get the factorization of the upper part, we get x plus 2 times x minus 2. You may wonder why we need to do that. Because if we don't do the factorization for the upper part here, we still get 0 over 0. So we cannot substitute at this moment. Okay, so after factorization, we get x minus 2 as the common factor. Then we cancel them. After cancel them out, we will get x plus 2 only in the numerator. And then this one, the limit exists. And the limit is equals to 2 plus 2, which is equals to 4. So this is the answer for question 1 and 2.